Hello, we all know that Rakhi is gonna come. So this video is all about Raksha Bandhan makeup look. I hope you like it. So first I'm spraying face mist. If you don't have any face mist, you can even spray just normal rose water. And next, you have to add some moisturizer in your face. These are simple steps that you have to follow before makeup, because if you follow these all, your makeup will also be very good on your skin, and your skin also will not at all get spoiled. Next, I'm applying some primer. See, for primer only we have to take a pea size of primer. Don't take a lot of primer, because if we take so much of primer, our makeup will not stick on our face. So remember that thing. And whatever products I'm using, I'll be linking down in description box. And next I'm using foundation for the base. So this is in the shade 2 Invisible Finish Lakme foundation. So our base makeup is done, and next, for covering our dark circles, dark spots on our face, we have to apply some concealer. This is a not a important step. If you have dark circles or if you have any dark spots on your face, then only you have to go to this step. And I'm using Insight concealer, and shade I'll be providing down in description box. So you can see some difference with this eye and that eye. Okay, so concealer is important only for some people who have dark spots, and if their skin is uneven, in that kind of case you have to use a concealer. Next, for eye makeup, I'm using Hilara Rhoda palette in the shade 2. So next, depending on your dress and depending on your skin tone, you have to apply your eye shade. Like I'm wearing a pink and blue kind of combination, so I'm taking pink color shade eyeshadow. And for the glittery effect on our face, I'm applying some glittery kind of shade on my eyes. And if you don't have any brushes, you can even use your fingers, no problem in it. And next I'm applying some eyeliner. So for that I took Maybelline eye gel. So if anybody wants a review on Maybelline eye gel kajal, you can even see it in my channel. I have already done a video on it. So basically I'm not a pro in eye part, like eye makeup part, but I'm just learning. If you anybody want a video on eyeliners or types of eyeliners, like how to apply our eyeliner, I'll be doing a video on it soon. As this is a eye gel, it may dry quickly. For that, just hold it on your hand and just tightly hold it, so no air will go into it. So our eyeliner part is also done. If you want, you can even apply kajal. And next I'm going to eyebrow part. For this I took Wet n Wild eyebrow palette, like eyebrow palette kit, and I'm applying on my eyebrows. And remember one thing, you have to take a shade which is not at all black, because black and black it would be more over on our face. So take a brownish kind of shade if you're applying on your eyebrows. So next I'm applying compact powder on my face. So this is the compact from Maybelline company. So next, for highlighter part, I'm using Swiss Beauty palette. So take a fan brush and apply it on your face. If you don't have any brush also, it's okay, you can just apply with your finger. So apply it on your cheekbones and on your nose and the upper lip and down and even under eyebrows, side of the eyebrows. So these are all highlighter parts on our face. So next I'm taking lipstick. With lipstick only I'm applying my blush and even my lipstick. So take it on your hand and apply some moisturizer over that lipstick. So when we apply it on our face, it will be like a smoothie finish, and you won't have any harsh kind of lines on your face. And yeah, this lipstick is from Kiss Beauty Company.